Alright, so the other day we got this cleaned up, or trees pulled out, not really cleaned up. Still some pieces here to pull out. But I was thinking of getting a sawmill, an LT15, and then I see there's an LT15 wide. I'm not gonna, I got a lot of trees here on the property, so I'm gonna see in the woods what average size here I got. So I was thinking about either putting it here and maybe extending the roof over top and putting it here. Or most likely I will put it back here, because if I'm driving around sawdust that's on the back side, I got these trees right here. But I clean this out and put it in here. Let me see what I have in between some of these posts. This pole is 19 feet. So I'm thinking if I take that middle pole out, put a beam across the top, that's 20 feet. Carry the load of these. Maybe I could put it in there. Maybe I even put it back here and get rid of the, let's see what the center. That's over 19. So even if I took them out, I would still have to get the logs. If I had a 16-foot log, I would still need to take the center one out. If I put it this way, if I put it in here, took this out, then put another post, and then went across, put a post, put a beam across there, and then I could support from there up. Then I could put the sawmill back here. Which is about 9 feet in. I'll have to think about that. watch and see which way's the easiest way to unload it. You know, if I have it off there and I'm stacking piles, it might be best to be another pull back. Have the sawmill back one, so then when I take lumber off, I could still stack it on, like out of the weather. I'll have to put some thought into that and see. Alright, let's go measure some down trees. Let's just measure this pole to see. Like, there's some big pine trees here. What's in here? This is a big pine tree. Let's just say there. That's about 32. That one's about 32. That's about 20. $19.20. What's the diameter? 59. 59 on that one. Harbor Freight tape measure. Used to give them out free. Like, look at all these down trees. A lot of them were like this. Some of them blew over. This one here. Look at this one here. So this one fell into that one. It's bending that one. This might be a double widow maker. What do you think? Cut that right there. It's probably gonna. It's already like. Then this one fell across. Where did this one break off of? This one broke off here. That's that one. That looks like a top. That one's leaning. Oh, it's probably this one. Probably fell and broke off, but then the other part landed over there because it went through the trees and snapped that little one with it. This tree snapped off. It went where? It's probably it laying over there. You had straight line winds, and there's a spot of this flat section. This one's new. Thank God it didn't hit the fence. Broke off right there. Fell in between these two. Pine. Used to be able to drive, come down this fence row. I don't know what you do here. I'd say we cut this one here, get that out of there, relieve some pressure off this one. Then I don't know. Maybe you could push this one like with the excavator, but when you do and that releases off there, what's this one gonna do? All right. Shocked how shallow. Shallow these roots are. Look at that one over there. Pretty wet in there. And then wait till August when this dries out a little bit. Then it's all grown up to get in there. But they would have to be some smaller logs. There's no way I'm hauling a 16-footer. Maybe get a 3.0 winch. And I'm pretty sure this is coming from the pond because of all this growth on the bank. What do you think? Think these roots of these trees made their way over here, causing that to leach out down in here. This pond, when I bought it, was probably 2 feet lower and it wasn't draining. And now it wasn't getting fresh water in to raise the level to then drain out. There is a pipe in here somewhere. That's that pipe right there. Obviously that's blocked. Brownie, you like that water? Hey, you like that water? So again, I think all this growth, go down here without falling. I was able to get back here to clear it out if I stayed on this side. Over here, it was all muddy, real muddy, and certain times of the year, August, if it's a drought. See, I'm just sinking, walking through here. Here's the pipe. Looks like there's water coming underneath the pipe. Water coming underneath the pipe, not out the pipe. Creek. Big pine tree. That's not on the bank. These ones that are up there are pretty high. When it really rains and that tube, that culvert pipe's flown out, water will come right out and go right over top and go down. Tree stand right there, and we're at the burn pit. This is where the straight line winds came through. You can see where there's like a lot of grass. It just snapped all the tops of the trees off in there. And the tree line's way up there. Same thing. My property, some trees down, and another source of wood. So yeah, just trying to decide. LT15 wide. I'm not going to cut. I don't need it really to be portable. I have tractor, excavator, possibly get the logs up there, and then setting it up in the right spot that I can be efficient and not move stuff twice. Alright, there's the pond, and there's actually a pipe from there all the way underground back here to the corner. Right there, you can see a metal girder or a metal screen around it. Actually, I cut this in with the backhoe. That was sketchy. I back up probably 2/3 of the way, scrape away. I really don't use it other than the four-wheelers and stuff, but she got it out of the water. Oh, maybe she's dragging them in there.